In this video, I want to talk about how you can get 90% off on Temu. Now, for the first one, it's for first users. So when you sign up for the first time, usually you can get a really huge discount. So let me just quickly talk about it. If you're a new user and you sign up, and your first order will most likely be either completely free or up to a 90% discount. You can also get freebies, which are just on the app. And there is something else. If you use referral links, so if your friend sends you a referral link from Temu affiliate, you can see right here that you can get a £100 coupon bundle. So if your friend sends you this link right here and you sign up using that, you can get a £100. It's a little bit less than 100, a little bit more than $100, I mean. You can get the bundle and you will have basically a free order. Now, this is the referral ones, and your friend can send you these links and you can sign up with those. Now, the second option is you can go and search for coupon codes. So just search for them on Google or somewhere else, and you might find a 90% discount code. Usually, Temu will run like a 90% or 80% or 70% discount code, but they are only available for a short time, and then you have to wait until they're available again. You can check the app exclusives, you can check flash sales, seasonal sales, and you can check price drops and social media, and this also includes email. So if you're following or if Temu is on your email, then you can get the big discounts. So this is basically how that works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.